Manizales, Colombia, a city nestled in the heart of the Coffee Triangle. Known for its mountainous terrain and breathtaking views, this is a place where adventure meets charm. Today, I'm taking you on a journey from Pereira to Manizales on an enduro motorcycle, exploring the city, the countryside, and everything in between. I started my trip in the vibrant city center of Manizales, where modernity and tradition collide. From colonial architecture to colorful markets, this city has a unique energy. The towering Cathedral of Manizales is a must-see, standing as a symbol of the city's history and culture. Walking through these streets, you really feel the essence of the Coffee Triangle, welcoming, lively, and full of character. For a bird's-eye view, I hopped on the Teleférico, or cable cars. Floating above the city gave me a whole new perspective of Manizales. Rolling hills, vibrant neighborhoods, and endless greenery stretching into the horizon. It's a peaceful ride that is worth every second. Leaving the city behind, I hit the countryside on my enduro motorcycle. The journey was nothing short of magical. The winding roads, lush mountains, and fresh air reminded me why Colombia is a paradise for adventurers. The Coffee Triangle isn't just about coffee, it is about the landscapes that make you feel alive. This right here, this is why I travel. The freedom, the views, and the raw beauty of nature. My friends and I trekked through the jungle to find a hidden gem, a waterfall tucked away from the world. The sound of rushing water and the cool mist made the hike worth it. And of course, I could not resist jumping in. This is what makes Colombia so special, moments like these. Pure untouched nature. I ended the night at an Airbnb overlooking the mountains. The view was unreal, a peaceful retreat in the heart of the countryside. The next morning, I was back on the bike, riding through the jungle to find another serene spot, a river perfect for cooling off. The ride itself was half the adventure, with dense greenery and winding trails leading to the water. There is something about finding these quiet spots. It's like the world slows down, and you can just enjoy the moment. And just like that, my adventure in Manizales came to an end. From cityscapes to waterfalls and countryside roads, this journey was unforgettable. Colombia never ceases to amaze me. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for the next journey. Until next time, ride free.